The size of the ore we fed into a blast furnace can make or break our coke rate efficiency. Let's have a look into the fascinating interplay between ore size and coke consumption, where small changes lead to big saving. Using 50 by 100 lamp ore increase coke consumption by 15 kg per ton of hot metal. As we can see that baseline coke rate is 400 kg per ton hot metal. Additional coke due to larger ore is 15 kg per ton hot metal. Total coke rate will be 415 kg per ton hot metal. As the ore size decrease from 50 by 100 to 25 by 50 coke consumption reduces from 15 kg to 9 kg per ton hot metal. This shows that smaller optimized ore size significantly improve coke efficiency. For blast furnace operators' benefit, a scale is provided for better understanding about the different lump size, fraction and its impact. Let's break down the impact of using large lump ore in real numbers. Suppose the furnace is producing 1000 tons of hot metal. The regular coke consumption based on baseline rate of 400 kg per ton hot metal would be around 400 tons of coke. Now with the larger lump ore size increasing coke consumption by an additional 15 tons extra, and our total consumption of coke become 415 tons. This highlights how even a slight increase in coke consumption due to ore size can lead to significant additional cost over large scale production. Thus, optimizing ore size is key to keeping these numbers under control. Now, the question arises that why does using large lamp ore increases coke consumption? First, large size reduces reducibility. Larger lumps have a smaller surface area to volume ratio. This means there is a less surface area for reducing gases like CO and S2 to react, with slowing down the reduction of iron oxide to metallic iron. Second, reduce gas permeability. Larger lump create bigger void space in the furnace burden. While this might seem like a good thing, it actually disrupts the uniform flow of gases, leading to uneven reduction zones. To compensate, the furnace consume more coke to maintain the thermal and chemical balance. Finally, heat transfer issues. Bigger ore pieces takes longer to heat up and react due to their bulk. This delay the reduction process and increase the furnace's energy demand, which is met by burning more coke. Let's summarize the key outcome for blast furnace operation when it comes to lump ore size. First, larger lump ore size like 50 by 100 are less efficient. They require more coke due to poor reducibility, reduced gas permeability, and slower heat transfer. Second, moderately sized lumps such as 25 by 50 offer some improvement. They reduce coke demand compared to larger sizes, but they are still not the most efficient option. Finally, optimizing lump size further smaller than 25 by 50 but still stable enough to maintain burden integrity can significantly enhance efficiency. This reduces coke consumption, improves reduction rate, and boost overall furnace performance. Thank you.